Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a business plan with the help of ChatGPT and using the prompts. So the prompts will be in the description below. You can check them out if you want to. You can either use ChatGPT 4 or ChatGPT 3.5. It depends if you have a subscription or not. I'm going to use a 4 for today. But basically it works with a 3.5 with a free version too. Now, I'm going to use the prompts which are for my business plan. The first thing we want to go ahead and do is write a very detailed business plan for your business type. That includes executive summary, business description, market analysis, competitive analysis, sales and marketing plan, ownership and management plan, operating plan, and financial plan. But I would do this in every single step. So for example, if you want executive summary, so you want to go ahead and write this. So now I'm just going to go ahead and copy this whole section, this whole prompt, and very detailed. You can insert here characteristics. Business development for your business type. So for example, for a recipes or maybe for a food TikTok blog, and just go ahead and now as you can see it is writing, and now it has written us an executive summary, as you can see, business description, market analysis, what are our demographics, and so on and so forth, competitive analysis, sales marketing plan, ownership and management plan. So now we had a lot of things here, but we need to break it down in every single step. Now, once we have it, let's go ahead now and to the executive summary. And now write a very detailed executive summary for, and write down your company name. For example, recipes by and now it will write just for you with your business name, and you do this with every single step. Now I have all of these prompts in the description for you. You can check them out, but basically you will need to write down a very detailed mission statement for a business that values your products, some business description that sells your products. Market analysis, again, it goes into a 3 steps. So write a very detailed market analysis, competitive analysis, also into 3 steps, sales marketing plan, also very detailed, and ownership management, and operating plan, and financial plan. And once you will do all of these, you will have an awesome business plan. So let me do this off camera because it will take a lot of time. Now you can have all of these prompts. I'm going to leave them in the description, but basically they all have a very detailed specific of things, like for example on ownership and management plan, you want to ask for a very detailed ownership structure for your business and your company and yourself. Then you want to go ahead and ask for a management plan and operating plan for a business type. So for example, it would be like a TikTok blog, food blog that operates online on TikTok. And then a very detailed risk management plan, financial plan, how much you need, and so on and so forth. I'm going to leave the prompts in the description below for you to check out on my Gumroad. But basically, You can also go ahead and write this down and then break it down to every single section here. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.